guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this braided crochet wig in this video. So if you want to see and know how I did that, please keep watching. So right now I'm going ahead to cut the braiding hair extension into two, and then I went ahead and pull on the end to give me extra length of camera. I have a separate video on how I did that, on how I prep my braiding hair extension before each video, so be sure to check that out. So also right here I've already did some of the buzz braid and also half of the feeding braids. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to create your own braided lace closure. Okay, so we're gonna go right into the video. So for this tutorial, you're gonna need a wig cap and the lace for the closure, and also you're gonna need a small crochet hook. So right now I'm going ahead to show you guys how I did the feeding braids. So I'm starting by crocheting the hair. So just pass the crochet hook through the lace and just hook a little bit of hair with the crochet hook. Close the large hook and pass it through the lace. You want to make sure to be careful so that way you don't rip the lace. So first I'm starting by crocheting a straight line going back. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to come back and show you guys how to crochet the one for the each corners. So right now I'm going to show you guys one more time. Pass the crochet hook through the lace, hook the hair and pass it through. That's all you have to do. So I'm just going to continue doing that till I get to to where I want my my middle section to stop, the middle part to stop. You can make yours a little deeper or make the part short. It depends on you. So I'm just gonna show you guys. So right there, that's the last one for my for the deep part, not deep part, for the middle part. So I'm just crocheting the last one right there. It's done. So I'm gonna stop it right there. So doing the crocheting the straight line first help to make sure that you have like a neat straight line for your middle part, and so when you don't do your braids, it will look as if you did the braids on a lace closure instead of it looking like just a regular crochet wig. So right now I'm going ahead to do the to crochet the first line for the feeding braids. And also I'm going to be extending this line into the wig cap, so that way when I'm done braiding the hair, it will cover up the black cap, so it won't show when I'm done braiding the hair. Also I'm making sure to take it a little bit close to the edge of the black cap. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there. So next I'm gonna go ahead and work on the braid. So right now I'm gonna take a little bit of hair from the straight line I crocheted earlier for the middle part. Just take a little bit of hair and add it to the fresh line we just crocheted. Just right there, and push the rest out of the way. So next I'm gonna go ahead and do the feeding braid. So right here I'm starting with a small piece of hair, and I'm gonna increase the amount of hair I add to it as I braid along until I get to the last crochet hair. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Start with a small piece of hair and done. Okay, you want to make sure you have a good grip on the hair before going ahead to add the next one. So right now I'm going ahead to add another piece of hair. As you can see, this piece of hair is bigger than the one I started with, so you want to keep increasing the amount of hair you add to the braid as you braid along. Oh my pretty babe, something ain't right. Got to find a way to move ahead. Oh my pretty babe, I won't be around till I come back. So right now I'm going in with the last piece of hair and I'm adding that to the braid, and after that I went ahead and braided it all the way to the tip, to the almost to the tip of the braid, and then I went ahead and twist the tip of the hair together to get a thin finish at the tip of the hair. So for the next one right here, you want to make sure you crochet the line very close to the braid you just did, so that way this will cover up the space in between the braid, so you don't have to crochet the whole entire lace closure. So you just have to crochet the line you're going to be braiding. So also doing the same thing, you want to start with a small piece of hair and increase the amount of hair you add to it as you braid along.
Oh my pretty babe, something ain't right. Got to find a way to move ahead. Oh my pretty babe, I won't be around till I come back. Wait for me. Oh my pretty babe, wait for me. Something ain't right.
Okay, I'm done with the second braid, so I'm gonna repeat the same thing. I'm gonna crochet the next line really close to this one I just braid, so this will make sure that the space in between the braids are covered, and also we make sure that you don't see the where the lace closure end and where the black cap begin. So as you can see right here, I'm repeating the same thing, making sure to crochet the next line really close to the braid. So you want to go ahead and keep repeating the same thing until you're done braiding the whole section for the middle part. So right there, you can see. And right now I'm going ahead to work on the last braid for the middle part. So doing the same thing, you want to start with a smaller piece of hair and then increase the amount of hair you add to it as you braid along. And also one more thing I almost forgot. Let's talk about the color of this hair. You don't have to use the same hair color I use in this video. You can use any color, any hair color of your choice, and your hairstyle will still look the same, except the color will look different. You can use whatever color you want to use, so you don't have to use this exact color. And also one more thing, as you can see in this video, the braids are really close together, so you don't see much of the black cap, so there's no space in between the feeding braids. So you want to make sure you do yours like this too. So crocheting the next line close to the braid you just did will help to ensure that. All right, so now that I'm done doing the feeding braid for the middle part, I'm gonna go ahead and work on the buzz braid. Okay, so to do the buzz braid is really easy. We're also going to be using the crochet method, so just like you will do your regular crochet braid. So we're gonna first of all go ahead and crochet the hair in place before going ahead to braid it. So right now I'm going ahead to place this crochet hair in between those two braids right there, so that when I'm done braiding doing the buzz braid, it will cover up whatever gap that is left. So right there, just do the regular crochet method. So next I'm gonna move ahead to the next braid. In between those two braids right there, I'm gonna place one right over there. So right there I'm gonna place one crochet hair right there. So doing the same thing, pass the crochet hook through the cap, hold down, hook the hair, pass it through, and use the crochet hook, hook the hair, pass it through the loop, and pull on the end to secure it in place. So next, right now I'm going ahead to do the buzz braid, and I'm gonna do the same thing, braid it all the way, like almost to the tip of the hair, and then twist both ends together to get a clean finish at the end of the braid.
You got me losing connection. I'm in a temporary home. I'm in a temporary home. So full of
Okay, I'm done with the buzz braid. So the next step now is to cut out the black cap under the lace. Just right there, go ahead and cut it out. Okay, I'm done with that. So this is the inside of the wig right there. And next, you want to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. So after cutting off the excess lace, I went ahead and dipped the ends of the hair into hot water off camera, and after that, I let it air dry overnight.
Oh my love.
Hi guys, I'm back. So now it's time to put on the wig. So I've already put my hair
I
into a
don't
wig
know
cap
what
and
I'm
push it a
doing.
little bit further away from the
I don't
from the
know.
front of my head. So this is the wig right here, looking good.
Oh my love.
Look at that length,
I
guys,
don't
right?
know where I'm
So
going.
to apply the wig, it's really
I
easy.
don't
Really, you
know
don't
what
need to do
I'm
that much.
doing.
You can add an elastic
I
band if you
don't
want, or you can
know.
just add a comb, a wig comb to help to secure it in place.
Everything's changing. I find it so strange. Oh no. How can I know when I'm lost? Move ahead. Oh my pretty
So here is the
baby.
finished result
Something
of the
ain't
braided
right.
crochet
Got
wig.
to find a
I hope you
way
find this
to
video
move
helpful. If you do,
ahead.
please don't forget to give it a
Oh my
thumbs
pretty
up. And also, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next one.